Hi everyone, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today, I'll show you exactly how to make Google My Homepage on Windows 10. Step 1. Open the Edge browser on your Windows 10 PC. Edge is the default web browser for Windows, and opening it is the first step to setting your homepage. Step 2. Go to google.com and press Enter. This loads the Google website which you want to set as your homepage. Step 3. Click on the star icon, which is the Add to Favorites button located in the top right corner of the browser. This allows you to save Google for quick access. Step 4. Click on Done to save it as a favorite. This confirms your selection and stores Google in your favorites list. Step 5. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of Edge. This opens the browser menu where you can access settings and options. Step 6. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Settings is where you can customize how your browser behaves, including your homepage. Step 7. Click on Start, Home, and New tabs, or on Startup if you're using the Windows 10 version of Edge. This section controls which page opens when you launch Edge. Step 8. Select Open a specific page or pages, or Open these pages. This option allows you to choose exactly which website will open as your homepage. Step 9. Click on Add a new page. This opens a box where you can enter the web address of the site you want. Step 10. Paste the Google URL, https www.google.com, https www.google.com into the box. This tells Edge to open Google whenever you start the browser. Step 11. Click on Add. This confirms your choice and adds Google to your startup pages. Step 12. Close and reopen Edge to verify that Google opens as your homepage. If it opens correctly, your setup is complete and you're ready to browse. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.